Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be testing 4 different split cups. So as you can see here, I have 4 cups here and they're divided differently. So I have this first one that's divided into 2 parts. This one is divided into 3 parts. This one is divided into 4 parts. And this last one is divided into 5 cups. So that means you can put 5 different colors in here and then pour it all at the same time. So from what I've seen, these cups are usually used for acrylic pours. I've not really seen them used for resin. So today I want to test them with epoxy resin and see how they turn out. Today I'm going to be using resin from Hippie Crafter. For colors, I'm going to be using mica powder. This is Chameleon mica powder from Alexis. These supplies were sent to me to review, so thank you so much. If you're interested in getting these items for yourself, I have the links down below in the description. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start by taking a look at the mica powder. In this set there are 16 colors. Let's just take a look. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Look at this. Oh wow. So we need to pick 5 different colors because our 4th cup here has 5 sections. Okay, and here are the ones that we're going to be using today. I have Forest King, Lilac Navy, Carmine Red, Haldish Brown, and Peacock Blue. Alright, let's get our gloves on and get started. Let's go ahead and mix our resin. So this is going to be measured by volume. I'm going to pour the 2 parts together. And then we're going to mix it with my resin mixer. This mixer is super easy to use. I've used this for quite a few projects already. Cleanup is really easy too. I'm going to be using a paint and art wipe from Hippie Crafter. And all you have to do is just wipe off the resin. Make sure all the grooves are covered here so we don't have any resin curing on the plastic. And it's ready to use again. Next, I'm going to pour a layer of resin in the mold. Then for the other half, we're going to divide the resin into 5 cups. And then we're going to add the mica powder. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness, these colors are beautiful. Okay, next we're going to pour them into the divider cups. Now let's go ahead and pour. So here is the first cup with 2 colors, blue and gold. Here's the second cup with 3 colors. I'm trying to get all of them down so they come out together. Okay, this next one has 4 colors. And this last one has 5 colors. Alright everyone, so it's been about 12 hours, so it hasn't had a full day to cure yet, so these are still a little bit soft. But we can demold them and take a look. So the first one here is the one with 2 colors. Okay, so what's pretty cool is that you can see the split. So this one has 2 colors, and you can see the green and the gold, and you can just see them kind of weaved into the spiral, which is really, really cool. This next one is the one with 3 colors. So this here in the middle, I had a bit of trouble getting all 3 colors out. However, once we got it flowing, we got all the colors out, you can see the 3 colors layered in. So this has a very cool geode effect. This one here has 4 colors. Once again, in the beginning, I had some trouble getting all 4 colors to come out. However, once they started flowing, you can see the layers right there. So we can see the 4 different shades, and then the 4 different shades again as we spiraled back around. And this one is the one with 5 colors. So this one, you can see the colors mixing really well. However, here in the middle where it's a little bit thicker, you can see more of the different shades. Alright everyone, so that was the split cup test. So overall, the resin was really good. This is very clear. As you can see, there's very few bubbles, and it was really easy to demold. The mica powder is also very pretty. With my leftovers, this is what it looks like. The mica powder was very easy to use. It mixes very easily, and as you can see, it has a very, very nice shimmery effect to it. As for the cups themselves, it's actually really easy to clean. So here is the leftover resin. You just kind of have to loosen it and pull out the leftover pieces. Just like that. And with any other leftovers, just use a piece of tape and grab those little pieces inside. So what I love about this cup is that it's actually pretty big, and you can reach in there and really just clean out the extra resin, and then you're ready to go for the next round. Alright everyone, so what do you think of these split cups? Do you like them? Is there anything else you would like to see me do with these cups? Let me know down below in the comment section. And I'll see you next time. Bye!